point is that BTS is just not about the seven boys. Now it's a great. I don't want to say great. It's a huge wave, consisting of various people, and what they ignore is the existence of the army. Different races, different genders, so many kinds of people are really meaningfully involved in this name of BTS. I just want people to know that we may not as great as the self-made artists or anyone else, but we got something special too. We got something different than others, I think, and that can be the team, that can be the nationality or the language we use and we write. But I think the most important point is that the army and the people who truly support us, and not just supporting, being together with us. So I guess BTS in 2022 is really complicated and sophisticated. So when you say the name of BTS, it's not just about the seven boys. It includes the industry, maybe the Korean thing, maybe Asian, and mostly the armies that truly are together in our everyday lives. It's not just one way. It's what I call it, it's mutual. We give them something, they give us something. I mean, you guys give us something. And I truly felt today as well, seeing you guys in person and hearing your voices. It's something, it comes from the heart. And it's about the soul. It's about sharing hearts and the sharing souls. Where we may not know each other if I didn't do this team or music. Maybe I would have a trip in Las Vegas and just pass by you guys as a tourist from Korea. But now through the music and the performance and the team, we can be something, we call this inyeon in Korean. I don't know what to call this in English, but we became something, relationship. And I think that's everything. That's, mourning is a pain. Life is about unfair, a lot of unluck, the dramas, happiness, and the joy is really short. But we met each other, so we're making something great. I think that's all I want to say.